it on? Yeah. Air horn attempt on waking Martin up.
Hibernating bear on the couch.
Right over there. Okay.
Still sleeping.
Still sleeping.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Let's switch air horns.
Beep. Low tone.
Still sleeping.
Wow. Can you do them all at the same time? Wait. So basically, we concur.
Still sleeping. There
He
could be
can
a
get hit by a
train.
train. There's a train coming.
He's still sleeping over there.
Shut the fuck up right now. Are you serious? Like, what? I'm gonna turn this shit up right now.
He's gotta be awake right now. He has got to be awake. Ready?
Yeah. Oh my god.
We'll probably get you killed.
I'm a cop. Stopping guys like Knox. That's what I do.
You can't bring him down by yourself. There's no way.
He's
Sleeping.
still sleeping like a
Still
fucking angel.
sleeping. Like a fucking angel.